Namaste children, how are you all? I hope you are fine. Welcome to today's math class. Today math class we are going to learn about addition of decimals. Previous class we studied about what are the decimals and what is the need of the decimals, like where we can use in our daily life or this type of decimals. All these things we completed in previous class. Today class we are going to learn addition of decimals. So what is the need of this addition of decimals? Why we need to learn this part, addition of decimals. Let's see some small example. Suppose if I purchase the 3 pens and each one is cost of 5.50 rupees. Each one is cost of 5.50 rupees. And also I purchased 5 pencils and each one is cost of 3.50 rupees. Then if I want to know the total cost, how can I find the total cost? Yes, we need to do addition. We know here first only one pen is 5.50. Should know first what is the cost of 3 pens. 3 into 5.50, which gives cost of 3 pens. Cost of 1 pencil is 3.50. What is the cost of 5 pencils? 5 into 3.50, which gives the amount required for to purchase 5 pencils. After getting that both, we need to do addition. So we need to know addition of decimals. Even this also we can use in our daily life. Now before going to that addition of decimals, let's see some introduction part. First, let me tell you about decimal places. What is it, beta? It is decimal places. Sir, what is mean by decimal places? Decimal places are nothing but, suppose let me take here one example decimal 5.67. This point is known as decimal point, and point before whatever is there we treat that whole number part. Left side of point is whole number part, right side of point is decimal part. Whole number part, decimal part are separated by decimal point. Now tell me, how many digits are there after decimal point? Sir, after decimal point I can see 2 digits. So it has 2 decimal places. What we can say, beta? 2 decimal places. Hope it is clear now. Decimal places are nothing but number of digits in the decimal part. Decimal part means after decimal point, it is called decimal part. In that decimal part, I can see only 2 digits. I can say it as 2 decimal places. Sir, if it is like this, 17.364, I can see in decimal part 1, 2, 3, 3 digits. After the decimal point, I can see 3 digits. So we can say that it has 3 decimal places. It has 3 decimal places. After decimal point, if you have only 1 digit, you can say 1 decimal place. After decimal point, 4 digit, 4 decimal places. Now from this examples, can you tell me what is meant by decimal places? Sir, decimal places are nothing but number of digits in the decimal part of the given decimal number. Yes. Now from this we can write number of digits. Number of digits in the decimal part. What is decimal part? Point after. Number of digits decimal part of decimal number. Of decimal number. In the decimal part, how many digits are there? This gives the decimal places. Number of digits in the decimal part of decimal number. Here decimal part contains 2 digits, 2 decimal places. Decimal part contains 3 digits, 3 decimal places. Suppose if I take here 17.1, 17.4 I will take as. Now tell me how many decimal places it has? Sir, after decimal point, in the decimal part, only 1 digit there. So we can say that it has only 1 decimal place. It has only 1 decimal place. This is about decimal places. Now let's see about like decimals. What is meant by like decimals? Let me tell you. See. First we will do an example. I am taking one example. 15.621 comma 2.304. Now can you tell me here how many decimal places are there? 3 decimal places. Here 3 decimal places. Decimal place nothing but number of digits in the decimal part. 3 decimal places, 3 decimal places. Both are called like decimals. Both are called like decimals. Sir, why they are called like decimals? Decimals with same number of decimal places. Same number of decimal places. Here I can see 3 decimal places. 1, 2, 3 number of digits in the decimal plate. Decimal part. 1, 2, 3 3 digits. Number of digits in the decimal part. So like decimals are nothing but decimals with same number of decimal places are called like decimals. Yes, we can write decimals with same number of decimal places. Same number of decimal places. Decimal places. 2 or more than 2 decimals are said to be like decimals. They must contain same number of decimal places. Let me take one more example here. 3.42 comma 721.01 comma 317.93. Now what can you say about this? 1 to 2 digits, 2 decimal places. 1 to 2 digits, 2 decimal places. 1 to 2 digits, 2 decimal places. Sir, all the 3 decimals are containing 2 digits in the decimal part. 2 digits in the decimal part. So all the decimals have 2 decimal places. Same number of decimal places. So they are called like decimals. Sir, in case if they are different, suppose here there is no 1 digit, 2 digit, 2 digit. Can I say like decimals? No. Like decimals are nothing but all the decimals should contain same number of decimal places. So here different there. Then if they have different number of decimal places, what do we call? Yes, different number of decimal places are there. They are called unlike decimals. What do we call better? Unlike decimals. Let me take example first here. 3.624 and 151.31. Point after 3 digits. I mean 3 decimal places. Point after 2 digits. 2 decimal places. These are the decimals not having same number of decimal places. They are called unlike decimals. Unlike decimals. What we can write here? Decimals not having, yes, decimals not having same number of decimal places. Same number of decimal places. Decimal place means number of digits in the decimal part. Like decimals should contain same number of decimal places. Unlike decimal means different number of decimal places. Yes, children, let's see how to add the decimals. Addition of decimals. While adding the decimals, we can follow these conditions and we'll add. So what is the first condition? Change the given decimals into like decimals. I already said like decimals are nothing but decimals which contains same number of decimal places. Suppose if the first decimal contains 3 digits after decimal point, second one also should contain 3 digits. Like that same number of decimal places are there, comes under like decimals. We have to change the given decimals into like decimals. In case if they are unlike decimals. Sir, if they are like decimals, no need to do this first step. Hope it is clear. So we will implement first step here. Solution. So first we can see here first. Let me calculate first. 41.8 comma 39.24 comma 5.01 comma 62.6. First let us find the number of decimal places in each decimal. First one, point after 1 digit, I mean 1 decimal place. Point after 2 digits, 2 decimal place. Point after 2 digits, 2 decimal place. point after one digit, one decimal place. 1, 2, 2, 1. No. Sir, these are unlike decimals. Not having same decimal places. Once, if they are unlike decimals, should implement the first step. Convert them to like decimals. How can I convert like decimals? See, maximum we can see 2 decimal places. Maximum we can see 2 decimal places. Convert all 2 decimal places. Sir, how can I convert all 2 decimal places? Yes. Let me write AC ones. 41.8 I'm writing as this. 39.24, 5.01, 62.6. I said maximum we can see 2 decimal places. These both are having 2 decimal places. No issues. Remaining 2 we have to make it 2 decimal places. Now for this, to make it 2 decimal places, I need one more digit in the decimal part. That one more digit you keep 0 rightmost side. By keeping zeros, there is no change in the value. You can keep 1 0 3 0 if you wish, but here 1 0 enough. Why? We are trying to convert all 2 decimal places. Maximum we have 2 decimals only. 2 decimals, 2 decimals, 2 decimals. Even here also I want to make it 2 decimals. Keep one more 0 rightmost side. Then we can see 2 decimal places. Now all the 4 decimals having same decimal places 2, 2, 2, 2. Now we can add these decimals. First step completed. Second step, write the numbers in columns so that the decimal points in one column, the 10th come under tenths, 100th come under hundredth, and so on. These 4 decimals they are asked to write column wise. Let me write the first decimal here. First decimal I write here now. 41.80. Now below this write the second decimal, and while writing second decimal make sure that point below should write exactly point. First write the point better. In second decimal point before, I mean whole number part I can see 9 3. Let me write here 9 3. Point after 2 4 I write 2 4. See 10th place below we can see 10th digit. 100th place digit. Whole number part are same. Now point below write exactly point. Now here third one, point before whole number part I can see 5, right below the ones place. Point after 10th place 0, right below the 10th place. 100th place 1, right below the 100th place. Point below point, 10th place all below 10th place. 100th place below 100th place. Even whole number part also ones place below ones place. 10th place below 10th place. Next last one, point below write the point. Point before 2 6, 2 below the ones place, 6 below the 10th place. Then 10th place below 10th place 6, 100th place below 100th place. Yes, this is right column wise, and point below write the point. 10th place below write 10th place digit, 100th place below write 100th place. Similarly, ones place, 10th place also. Now add column wise as we add like whole numbers. How we can add the whole numbers? Same way, do addition that will be here. Yes. And also they said put the decimal in the cell directly under the decimal points of all the decimals. Addition point below, here also you can put the decimal point. Exactly below you can write. 4 plus 1 which gives 5. 8 plus 2 10. 10 plus 3 16. 16. 6 here 1 carry. Decimal point they said sum directly under the decimal point. Here sum nothing but addition. In the result, decimal point put directly exactly below you can decimal point. 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 9 9, 10 11, 11 plus 5 16, 16 plus 2 17. Yes, the result is what beta? Sorry, 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 1 11, 11 plus 5 11 plus 5 16, 16 plus 2 18. 8 here 1 carry. Yes, 1 plus 4 5, 5 plus 3 8, 8 plus 6 14. Yes, I got 148, 148.65. That is the way we can add. Hope it is clear. Let's see one more. They are asking find the sum of these 3 decimals. Here sum SUM, sum nothing but addition. Same like previous. We have to follow these conditions and we need to add. What is the first step? We have to make the decimals into like decimals. First convert the decimals into like decimals, then write one below other decimal, and while writing point below exactly write the point, and 10th place below 10th digits, 100th place below 100th place digit, ones place below ones place, tens place below tens place. Addition in the result point directly and put the point. We'll do this one. First copy this question better. 280.69 plus 25.2 plus 38. Point after two digits, two decimal place. Point after one digit, one decimal place. Here no point only first of all. Now they are unlike decimals. We have to convert them to like decimals by keeping the zeros right hand side. Now at maximum we can see two decimal places. Maximum we can see two decimal places. Now convert all two decimal places only. Here already two decimal place. Here to make it two decimal places, we need to keep one more zero. Sir, here no decimal places. Keep decimal point and you can put two zeros. Now I can see two digits, two digits, two digits. All the three decimals having same number of decimal places in the given decimals. They are called like decimals. They are called like decimals. Now write one below other decimal. 280.69. Point below write exactly point. Point before 5 to 5 below the ones place exactly. 2 below the tens place. 2 0 2 below the 10th place. 0 below the 100th place. Again point below exactly point. Point before 8 3 8 ones place below exactly. 3 tens place below. 0 10th place. 0 100th place. Now all this we need to do addition. See there point below exactly getting point. 10th place below 10th place. 100th place below 100th place. Do addition like how we can do in whole numbers. 9 6 plus 2 8. Point below exactly put the point. 5 plus 8 13 1 carry. 8 plus 2 10 10 plus 1 11 11 plus 3 14 4 1 carry. 2 plus 1 3. The result is 343.89. Hope it is clear for everyone. Let me take one more example. 131.621 plus 3.2 plus 6.13. I want to find the addition of these three decimals. How can I find the addition better? First we will get 131.621 plus 3.2 plus 6.13. First find the decimal places. Point after three digits, three decimal places. Point after one digit, one decimal place. Point after two digits, two decimal place. Sir, given three decimals having 3, 1, 2 decimal places, these are called unlike decimals. Convert them to like decimals by keeping the zeros. 3, 1, 2. Maximum number is, big number is 3. Sir, maximum you can see 3 decimal places. Convert remaining all 3 decimal places only. Here already we can see 3 decimal place. Here only 1 decimal place is there. To make it 3 decimal places, we need 2 more. Those 2 more you can keep zeros. Even here you can see 2 decimal places. I want 3 decimal place. To make it 3 decimal places, just you can keep 1 0. Now I can see 3 decimal places. We converted all the 3 decimals into like decimals. Then write 1 decimal below other decimal. 131.621. Second decimal also write exactly below the first decimal. While writing, make sure that point below exactly point. 10th place digit below the 10th place. 100th place below the 100th place. 1000th place below 1000. So point before I can see 3 ones place. Again point below exactly write the point. 10th place 1, 100th place, 1000th place, and point before I can see 6. This is 1st place. Now do addition like whole numbers. 1 plus 0 plus 0 1, 2 plus 3 5, 6 plus 2 8 plus 1 9. Point below exactly put the point. 1 plus 3 4, 4 plus 6 10, 0 1 10, 3 plus 1 4, here 1. We can read as 140.951. This is the way we can do addition. Hope it is clear to everyone. What I done better? Just first we have to find the number of decimal place in each decimal. If they are like decimals, directly can write. If they are unlined decimals, by keeping the zeros, you have to convert them to line decimals, then write one below the other, and you can find the addition. Yes, children, let's see some applications of addition of decimals. Like in which type of cases, in which situations you want to apply the additions of decimals. Let's see some examples based on addition of decimals. Here we can see second one the solution. They said here Rashid spent 35.75 rupees for maths book and 32.60 for science book. Find the total amount spent by Rashid. So here the given the amount is spent for maths book. You can write given amount is spent Rashid he spent for what beta? For maths book. Sir, amount he spent for maths book is equal to how much? 35.75 rupees. 35.75. Next we can write amount he spent is amount he spent for this amount he spent for maths book and this amount he spent for science book. Amount he spent for science book. Amount he spent for science book is equal to 32 rupees, 32.60 rupees. What they are asking, find the total amount spent by Rashid. Yes, they are asking to find the total amount. Total amount spent by Rashid. Yes, asking to find the total amount spent by Rashid is equal to total is nothing but addition. Addition amount is spent for maths book plus amount is spent for science book. So the amount is spent for maths book is 35.75 plus amount is spent for science book is 32.60. Both the decimals are like decimals. Point after 2 digits, 2 decimal places. Point after 2 digits, 2 decimal places. So both are like decimals. When they are like decimals, directly we can find the addition. How? One decimal below write the other decimal. Rupees 35.75 and rupees point below write the exact point. 10th place 6, 100th place 0, 1st place 2 and 10th place 3. Do it. Yes. Like one number so we can do addition. 5 plus 0 5, 7 plus 6 13, 3 1 carry. Point below exact point. 1 plus 5 6, 6 plus 2 8, 3 plus 3 6 rupees. Yes. Now what is the solution? Sir, total amount is spent for Rashid. Total amount spent for Rashid for both math and science book is 68.35 rupees. 68.35 rupees. Now let's see one more application based on additions only. Naresh walked 2 km 35 meters in the morning and 1 km 7 meters in the evening. How much distance did he walk in all? Both morning and evening. How much distance he covered? We need to find. Here the question is in terms of kilometer and meter. So both will express in terms of kilometers. Then we come to know total how many kilometers of distance he covered. See, what is the relation between kilometers and meters, beta? Sir, we know that like 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. Now tell me 1 meter is equal to how much? 1000 if I said, sir, 1 meter is equal to 1 by 1000 kilometers. 1 by 1000 kilometers. So whenever you want to convert meter, just you can divide it by 1000 and we'll convert it to kilometers. Let's see what here now. Solution. Let me write distance. Yes. Distance he covered. Distance he covered in the morning. Distance he covered in the morning is equal to how much he covered? Sir, he covered 2 kilometers and 35 meters. This I want to express in terms of kilometers. It is already in terms of kilometers, right, as it is. This one is there in terms of meter. To convert into kilometers, we have divided by 1000. Divide by 1000, then meter will become kilometer. Hope it is clear. Now it is see beta 2 kilometer. This one to write into decimals, write the numerator as it is. In the denominator we have three zeros. Denominator we have 3 zeros. So 3 digit before put the point. Fraction I am going to convert into decimals. Write the numerator as it is. In the denominator 1, 2, 3, 3 zeros are there. So from back onwards 3 digit before keep the point. Sir, only 2 digits. One more you can keep. No changes. We can keep 35 only. Now 3 digit before you can keep the point. Sir, one number part is nothing. You can write 0. Now it is converted to kilometers. 2 kilometer 0.035 kilometers. Together how much? Go to rough work. 2 kilometers and 0.035 kilometers. This together we need to do addition between 2 here 0.035. Sir, here 3 decimal places. Sir, here no decimal places. Here 3 decimal places there. So this also convert into 3 decimal places. Just I am trying to convert both are like decimals. So that I can do addition and I can write the total distance which he covered in the morning. So here 3 decimal places. Here also I want to make it 3 decimal places. So that I keep 3 zeros. 2.000 kilometers. 0.035 kilometers. This also kilometers and this also kilometers. Now do addition beta. 2.000 kilometer and the point you know at the exact point. 10th place you can see 0 here. 100th place 3. 1000 place 5 and one number part is nothing 0. 530.2 kilometers. This is the distance which he covered in the morning in kilometers. Yes, you can write here 2.035 kilometers. Similarly, we have to find the distance he covered in the evening. What is the distance he covered? 1 kilometer 7 meter he covered in the evening. So even this also we need to express in kilometers. Write very clear. Distance. Yes. Distance he covered. Distance he covered in the evening is equal to how much beta? 1 kilometer 7 meter. Sir, it is 1 kilometer 7 meters. Even this also I want to convert into kilometers. 1 kilometer as it is. This one is there in terms of meter. To convert kilometers, we can divide by 1000. 7 by 1000. By dividing 1000, meter will change into kilometers. Now I can write 1 kilometer. 7 by 1000 fraction. How can I write decimals? Write the numerator 7. Denominator I can see 3 zeros. From back onwards, 3 digit before you can keep the point. 1 digit there. 2 more I want. Yes. Now I have 3 digits. 3 digits before you keep the point. Whole number part is nothing 0. It is what? Kilometers. 1 kilometer 0.07 kilometers. Kilometer. Same minutes. We need to addition now. 1 0.007. How can I add beta? Here 3 decimal places. Here no decimal place. Even here also we need to make 3 decimal places. Keep 3 zeros off decimal point. Now do addition 1.000 and 0.007. We can write this 700.1. Total distance covered in the morning evening is 1.007 kilometers. They are asking how much distance he covered in walk in all. Means what is the distance he covered morning and evening? Morning and evening. We can write now distance. Total distance Total distance covered. Total distance he covered by Naresh. Bracket we can write morning and evening. So how can we find the total means addition? Morning distance he covered 2.035 kilometers. Addition evening he covered 1.007 kilometers is equal to what is the total here? do addition total 2.035. Yes, let me do here. 2.0. See, first we'll say like decimals or not. 1, 2, 3, 3 digits. 1, 2, 3, 3 digits. Same decimal places. Sorry, same number of decimal places. Addition possible. 0.35. Next 1.007. 5 plus 7, 12, 2, 1 carry. 1 plus 3, 4. Here 0.2 plus 1, 3, 3.042. Yes, 3.042 kilometers. So this is the distance covered by Naresh both morning and evening. Hope it is clear. Okay, ma. Let's see one more application of additions of decimals. Exercise 8.1 7th one here. Ravi purchased 5 kg 400 grams rice, 2 kg 200 grams sugar, and 10 kg 850 grams flour. Find the total weight of his purchases. He brought 3 different items: rice, sugar, flour. All these 3, first each one should express in terms of kg, in terms of kg, in terms of kg. Then we find the total, I mean addition of the quantity of all the 3 goods. Let's go for solution, brother. We'll write here given. What they given here? Ravi purchased rice. Yes, sir. They given here Ravi purchased rice is equal 5 kg 400 grams. This completely I want to convert only in terms of kg. So we know that 1 kg is equal to how many grams, brother? It is 1000 grams. This we know clearly. 1 kg means 1000 grams. But what is 1 gram is equal? Sir, 1 gram is equal to how many kg, sir? 1 by 1000 kg. 1 by 1000 kg. So for grams, to convert into kilograms, just you can divide by 1000. By dividing 1000 per grams, it will convert into kilograms. Now let's see this 400 grams. I want to convert into kg. Let's go for number. This 400 grams. 400 I'm writing as it is. Grams are equal to how many kg? 1 by 1000 kg. Now 400 into 1, 400. 400 by 1000 kg. So denominator you can see 3 zeros. So write the numerator as it is. 3 digit, 3 zeros are there. From back onwards, 3 digit before you can keep the point. And point before whole number part nothing means 0. Yes, it is 0.400 kg. Yes, this will become 5 kg and 0.400 kg. Both kg only. We'll do addition and we'll write together. So this both I want to go for addition better. 5 kg and 0.400. Both I want to do addition. 3 decimal places. Here no decimal places. So here also put the decimal point and keep 3 zeros. 3 decimal place, 3 decimal place. Now do addition of 5.000 and 0.400. Do addition. Yes, I got 5.400 kg. So total 5.400 kg of rice he purchased. Similarly, you can write there. Yes, we can write Ravi purchased. Ravi purchased. Next time is what, beta? Sugar is equal to 2 kg. 2 kg 200 grams is equal to, we can write 2 kg 200 grams. How can I convert it to kilograms, beta? Like this you can do, or directly also can write 2 grams. Sorry, 200 grams. Grams to convert into kg, directly can divide by 1000 also, no issues. 200 by 1000, and after division grams are going to convert into kilograms. 3 zeros are there, so 3 digit before you can hit the point. Write the numerator as is. Denominator we have 3 zeros, so 3 digit before you can hit the point. And there is nothing in whole number part, you can write 0. We can write 0.200 kg. 200 grams, if I express it in kilograms, 0.200 kg. Both together we can write 2.00 kg. Sorry, 2 comma 0.200. 0.200. Here point after 3 digits Here also make it point after 3 digits. Now do addition. 2.300 and 0.200. Do addition get 002.2. Now it is 2.200 kilograms. And similarly last one also we can write. Now we purchased what next to beta? Flour. Is how much? 10 kg 850 grams. 10 kg 850 grams is equal to 10 kg. This 850 grams, if you convert it to kilograms, you can write 0.850 kilograms and do addition which gives 10.850 kg. Now they are asking total he purchased. We can write therefore total weight. Total weight he purchased. Total weight he purchased is equal to, do addition here, 5.400 and next to 2.200 and next one is 10.850. All these are there in terms of kg only. Here 0, 5, 8 plus 2 10, 10 plus 4 14, 5 plus 2 7 plus 1 8, here 1 18.450 kg of goods he purchased. Yes children, today class we learned addition of decimals. Simple but easy concept. While doing addition of decimals, first concept, make sure that all the decimals must be like decimals. In case if they are unlike decimals, convert them to like decimals. Then write one decimal below other. While writing point below, write exactly point, and 10th place below write the 10th place digit, 100th place below write 100th place digit, and so on. Similarly, in the whole number part also, ones place below ones place, tens place below tens place, and they can take care about these conversions. Hope it is clear. Based on the knowledge from exercise 8.5, these problems completely homework. Thank you once again. We'll meet next class.